Hi everybody, welcome back with another still life painting. Today I thought of showing a little painting that is so simple that even if you are a beginner, you can do this one, guarantee. I'm going to use this unique handmade paper that was actually bought by my sister from North Bengal. I didn't select this surface with any particular purpose, just wanted to experiment with oil pastels on this paper, and I like the final outcome. It's a lightly toned paper and very lightweight, has got some texture too. One side is a little smoother compared to the other side. So a small part I am taking for my today's painting. It's A5 size, and as always I am going to use a few brands of oil pastels for my painting. However, if you are using a 50 shades box, then you can just stick to one brand. I'll mention the names of the shades that I'm going to use at the beginning itself. Also, I will try to tell you the alternative shades so that if you are using students grade oil pastels or any other brands, you don't get confused about which shades to be selected. I'm going to start off with the darker areas of the whole beetroot, where I'm mainly using sepia from Crepa Specialist, and followed by dark brown and wine red color. So if you're using students grade oil pastels of any brand like Camlin, Domes or Faber-Castell, you can use black and dark brown both together in place of sepia to get this very dense dark tone, and in place of wine red you can actually use maroon and carmine together. And for the highlighted areas I'm applying white first, and then applying wine red on the top of that, just trying to block the highlighted areas with white first, so that when I apply the darker tone I directly get a lighter value of the same. I am using a color shaper for blending the colors. You can use color shapers or paper stumps, or simply you can use earbuds for blending, and these all are actually excellent blending tools. And sometimes if we have bigger areas, we can just use our fingertips for blending. For the darker parts I am trying to use sepia and dark brown, and sometimes for a few detailing I have used charcoal pencil. And if you are using the dark brown or sepia or black, you can use the sharp edge of the color sticks to create the lines. And here I am just trying to put a few more layers. And for the highlighted areas I have used white, and along with that I have applied a little bit of yellow ochre, and finally at the end I have added little orange for a few lines on the upper surface of the beetroot. For the half beetroot I will put in some scarlet, red and little bit of orange, and for the circles I will be using the sharp edge of sepia and dark brown. You can also use the charcoal or graphite pencils for that. For the leaves I have used dark green, light green and lemon yellow. You can actually select sap green in place of dark green if you wish. So basically we are using two different shades of green, one lighter, one darker, and lemon yellow for the leaves. And for the veins I have used the sharp edge of wine red color. You can use the sharp edge of maroon, or you can also use dark carmine color. So I hope I have already discussed the names of the shades that I have used here and the other details about this painting, and I'm sure you will enjoy watching this and you will be able to follow each and every step of this painting. So if you haven't watched my latest tutorials on bluebird painting and other still life paintings, do watch them out and share your feedback with me. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Lastly, if you like my video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up because that inspires me to make new tutorials. That's all for today. Bye bye.